Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Maytag brand dryer and on the display it's giving you an E2 error and you're trying to figure out what you can do about this error. So there's some good news and some bad news. I'll start with the bad news. The bad news is the E2 error is a fault on the control panel and you may need to have your control panel replaced. The good news is that many control panel errors can be cleared out with a simple hard reset of your dryer. So before you do anything, you need to do a hard reset on it, which is to simply turn it off and then disconnect it from power by unplugging it from the wall or turning it off at the breaker and leaving it disconnected for 1 to 5 minutes. The longer the better, to let everything clear out of the control panel. Once you've done that, you can restore power, turn it on, try to run a cycle, and hopefully the error does not come back. If it doesn't, great, you're good to go. If not, you may need to, at that point, consider calling someone or you're doing it yourself, replacing the control panel.